In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate through Land's End to manage your orders. Whether you're checking recent purchases or tracking a delivery, I'm here to simplify this process for you. Let's dive into it. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be anything from Chrome to Firefox or Safari, whichever you find most comfortable using. Once your browser is open, type in www.landsend.com into the address bar. It's that simple. Just ensure the URL is spelled correctly to avoid any issues or landing on incorrect sites. Hit enter and you'll be taken directly to the Land's End homepage. Now, it's time to sign into your account. This is a crucial step to access your order information. Take a look at the top right corner of the page and there you'll see the sign in button. Give it a click. You'll be asked to provide your email address and the password linked with your Land's End account. This information was probably set up when you first created your account, so make sure to keep it handy. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there should be a forgot password option to help you reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, you need to navigate to your account. Again, look towards the top right corner. You should see either your name or a generic account icon. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear and you want to select the option that says My Account. This is your command center, where you'll find all the personal information related to your Land's End interactions. From the My Account page, you'll want to focus on finding your orders. This is often a concern for many, especially if you're eagerly waiting for a package to arrive or want to review the details of a previous purchase. Look for the section dedicated to your orders. Depending on the layout of the site, this could also be labeled something like Order History or Recent Orders. The page will likely provide a list of your past purchases, complete with order numbers, shipping statuses, and more. This is the area you'll return to whenever you need to check on or manage your orders. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Land's End website to find everything you need concerning your orders. This skill can save you time and ensure you're always up to date with your shopping experiences. Whether you're following up on a recent purchase or planning your next one, having the ability to manage your account effectively makes for a more enjoyable online shopping experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping on Land's End.